Israel's defense minister threatened Iran's supreme leader on Thursday after Iranian missiles damaged a hospital in southern Israel and hit residential buildings near Tel Aviv, wounding at least 240 people.
We're targeting military sites. We're targeting nuclear sites. We're targeting missile sites. They're targeting a hospital. In this hospital, there are patients who are immobile. They can't even move. President Trump will do what's best for America. I trust his judgment. He's a tremendous friend, a tremendous world leader, a tremendous friend of Israel and the Jewish people. And we will do what we have to do, and we are doing it. The partnership with the United States, the partnership with President Trump, with whom I speak to almost every day, is incredible.
My message to the Iranian people: we never target civilians, nor we will ever target civilians. We had friendship with the Iranian people for many, many years, and we look forward to renew that friendship. Our target is the vicious Ayatollah regime headed by Khamenei, and they will pay the price for this vicious attack over a hospital. Dictator be payan salam kon.
It's been cleared for publication as well, so I can confirm that to you. But this is just another pattern, a show of pattern of what the Iranian regime is targeting. Here it's the hospital, but there are other locations inside of Israel, residential communities that have been hit. And today is not the first day. It's been going on for the last few days. This has been their target, and our police forces are working in close coordination with the other medical forces, the Home Front Command, to service any civilian who needs it. Unfortunately, we've seen scenes where civilians are trapped underneath rubble, and we have to get there as quick as possible in order to get them out. We've opened up a missing persons hotline number, because when it comes to scenes like this, obviously there's a panic. People want to reach their loved one, and so we're going to continue doing everything possible to hopefully reunite them properly with good news that they're okay. But if not, our medical forces are going to quickly get them the medical attention that they need. There have been a few individuals who are injured. I don't want to get into specific numbers, but what I can tell you is that they're mainly in light conditions here at this location. Other scenes, unfortunately, have not been so lucky, and there are harder casualties in the various other locations in central Israel, next to the residential communities, next to businesses, and we're going to give those attention as well.
What's your message to all people from Iranian people and also from all people in the world?
I can tell you that Israel stands with the Iranian people. Our problem is not with the Iranian people, the opposite. We're trying to defend you as well. When we target this regime who's been oppressing you, your dream of being free we know it, the whole world sees it, and we stand together with you. My message to the Israeli people is that we are a united nation, we are a resilient nation, and this doesn't define us, it's only bringing us closer together.
Israel, meanwhile, struck a heavy water reactor linked to Iran's nuclear program. Israeli Defense Minister Israel Katz blamed Iranian Supreme Leader Ayatollah Ali Khamenei and said the military has been instructed and knows that in order to achieve all of its goals, this man absolutely should not continue to exist. US officials said earlier this week that President Donald Trump had vetoed an Israeli plan to kill Khamenei. Trump later said there were no plans to kill him, at least not for now. Israel carried out strikes on Iran's Arak heavy water reactor in its latest attack on the country's nuclear program. The conflict began last Friday with a surprise wave of Israeli airstrikes targeting military sites, senior officers and nuclear scientists. A Washington-based Iranian human rights group said at least 639 people, including 263 civilians, have been killed in Iran and more than 1,300 wounded. In retaliation, Iran has fired hundreds of missiles and drones, killing at least 24 people in Israel and wounding hundreds. More than 200 wounded, including dozens in the hospital strike. At least 240 people were wounded by the latest Iranian attack, 4 of them seriously, according to Israel's health ministry. Iran used a missile with multiple warheads, according to an Israeli military official who spoke on condition of anonymity in line with military regulations. Such missiles can pose a more difficult challenge for air defense systems like Israel's Iron Dome, because they have to track more than one warhead. An immediate independent analysis was not possible. However, Iran has hinted in the past that it was pursuing such weaponry. The vast majority of those injured Thursday were lightly wounded, including more than 70 people from the Soroka Medical Center in the southern city of Beersheba, where smoke rose as emergency teams evacuated patients. There were no serious injuries from the strike on the hospital. The hospital said the main impact was on an old surgery building that had been evacuated in recent days. After the strike, the medical facility was closed to all patients except for life-threatening cases, it said. Soroka has over 1,000 beds and provides services to around 1 million residents of Israel's south.